The list of 12 gadgets that'll blow your mind is here, so get ready and let's dive in. The Tilt 5 XE kit is an advanced augmented reality headset that is specifically designed for gaming enthusiasts. It offers an immersive gaming experience with high-resolution displays, crystal clear sound, and precise head tracking capabilities. The XE kit includes a lightweight headset, 2 controllers, and a base station that enables quick and accurate motion detection. The headset's see-through display allows gamers to interact with real-world environments, making it the perfect choice for mixed reality games. With compatibility with popular game engines such as Unity and Unreal, and a vast collection of Tilt 5-ready games, this headset is highly versatile and user-friendly. The idea of having an airbag for urban cyclists may seem strange, but some creative designers are exploring this futuristic concept to improve cyclist safety. While traditional helmets protect the head, an airbag for cyclists aims to provide additional protection to other vulnerable body parts such as the chest, shoulders, and upper arms in case of a collision or fall. The airbag would inflate quickly upon sensing a sudden impact, cushioning the rider's body in a cushion of air and minimizing the chances of serious injury. The Hovding helmet also comes in adjustable sizes and is priced at €349. Additionally, the latest version of the Hovding helmet, the Hovding 3, includes triggering by push button for added safety. Have you heard about the Divoom Times Gate? It's a smart home gadget that can automatically switch on and off your connected devices based on preset schedules or your location. It acts as a hub for your smart devices, connecting and controlling them via Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and Zigbee. The Divoom Times Gate also has voice control compatibility, which lets you control your smart devices with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. The Times Gate is inspired by futuristic technology and features 5 full-color LCD displays. It's a great lighting decoration for your workspace or gaming room, and it comes with exciting upgraded features. The design is sci-fi and aesthetically pleasing, making it a must-have accessory on your desktop. This pixel art display can be customized to show any pixel art you like on the screen using the app. You can choose from many options such as DIY images, animations, and scrolling text. Taking inspiration from advanced turbofan aircraft engines, the Thrust X1 is crafted to be a compact yet incredibly powerful device. The casing is made of a durable nylon blend that is 3D printed and features laser-sealed stitching. This powerful tool produces an airflow speed of over 100 miles per hour, making it ideal for various purposes such as quickly igniting charcoal for your barbecue, cleaning dust from screens, keyboards, and workspaces, or removing debris and water from cameras, lenses, and outdoor equipment. It can even clear sand from car interiors. The compressed airstream is designed to clean without contact, preventing any potential friction that could scratch your devices, screens, control panels, seats, or rear-view mirrors. Cleaning without contact also helps maintain interior cleanliness and dryness, which can prevent mold growth and shield electronic components from potential damage. The GoveeLife Smart Space Heater is a reliable and practical heating solution that uses advanced infrared technology to effectively warm up your room. With its adjustable thermostat and timer function, you can personalize your comfort level and save energy at the same time. Its sleek and modern design makes it a stylish addition to any space. It's equipped with several safety features like automatic shutoff and overheat protection, ensuring that you can have peace of mind while staying warm. You can control it through your smartphone or compatible devices like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, making it easy to use. The iSwift Roboarm is a futuristic robotic arm that is designed to change the way we use our devices. This smart arm can connect to your iPad, iPhone, or Mac wirelessly through Bluetooth, which means you don't have to worry about any cords or cable. The Roboarm is very precise and can move with great accuracy, making it perfect for tasks that require a lot of control, such as scrolling, zooming, and tapping. It's also great for live streaming and vlogging, as it can hold your device securely and help you take better videos and photos. To capture a 360 video or an image, you only need to throw this ball-shaped camera in the air. The Panono 360 camera is a revolutionary device that lets you capture immersive panoramic photos and videos with exceptional detail and clarity. It stands out from other cameras due to its ability to capture a full 360 degrees with an outstanding 16-megapixel resolution, making it one of the highest resolution 360-degree cameras available in the market. You can connect the Panono camera to your smartphone or tablet via Wi-Fi, allowing you to view, share, and edit your content directly from your device. The camera's intuitive software makes stitching images together effortless, while its sturdy design ensures it can withstand even the most challenging outdoor adventures. How many of us listen to music while taking a shower? The Ampere shower power speaker is a waterproof Bluetooth speaker specially designed for shower use. It has an IPX7 rating, which means it can withstand being fully submerged in water for up to 30 minutes. This makes it a perfect choice for those who enjoy listening to music while they shower. The speaker delivers crisp and clear audio, has a long-lasting battery life, and comes with a suction cup mount for easy placement in the shower. Whether you prefer pop, rock, or podcasts, this shower speaker allows you to enjoy your favorite tunes in the comfort of your bathroom. Early in the 1980s, Sir Clive Sinclair's company Sinclair Research released the RayCue 128K, a vintage computer model. Powered by a Zilog Z80 processor and with a base RAM capacity of 128 kilobytes, it was considered a powerful computer at the time. However, now you can get a similar model that offers much more functionality. The RayCue 128K dock is a versatile docking station that can be a great addition to your desk. This multifunctional dock combines the features of a USB-C dock, digital frame, Bluetooth speaker, and dongle, and connects to your Macintosh's host, screen, and keyboard. Its design, which drew inspiration from the iconic Apple Macintosh, can make you nostalgic while also boosting your efficiency and happiness at work. The dock allows you to connect up to 3 external monitors to your MacBook simultaneously while keeping them charged with a fast 100-watt charging speed. It is compatible with Windows 10 or higher, Chrome OS 100 or higher, and Mac OS 11 or higher. Whether it's a fancy dress party, a club night, a festival, or you just want to make a spectacle of yourself, you can elevate your outfit with these Neon EL wire shutter glasses. The Neon EL wire shutter glasses are mounted on black plastic frames and have a neon effect flex that makes them look out of this world. These glasses are powered by a handy battery pack, so all you need to do is pop them on, flip the switch, and glow the night away. Each set of these glasses features 3 modes: sound reactive, strobe, and blink. The FlameShip Fireplace is a fireplace that offers both aesthetic beauty and practical functionality. Its innovative design combines a sleek and modern look with advanced engineering to provide an unparalleled fireplace experience. The Water Vapor Fireplace is an electric fireplace that boasts the most realistic artificial flame. It employs revolutionary ultrasonic technology to create the effects of flame and smoke. Essentially, it produces a very thin haze illuminated by LEDs. The light then reflects off water molecules, creating a convincing illusion of fire. At the core of the FlameShip Fireplace lies a sophisticated combustion system that ensures a clean and efficient burn. This system produces a higher heat output and fewer emissions than traditional fireplaces, making it an environmentally responsible choice. The FlameShip Fireplace is also incredibly easy to use thanks to its state-of-the-art electronic controls. With these controls, you can adjust the temperature and flames to your desired setting effortlessly. Next, a tool that lets you easily switch between one-way and two-way measurements. Its middle laser beam provides a visual reference for precise alignment, which is a unique feature in the industry. This tool also has an innovative segment division function that automatically divides a line into smaller, equal segments. This function makes it easier to create a cohesive space display. The DP20 Pro can be connected to the Smart Life mobile app, which can store up to 1,000 groups of data. This app lets designers and builders draw their projects directly on uploaded photos and enter their measured dimensions, streamlining their workflow. The DP20 Pro offers advanced indirect measurements, such as auto level and auto height distance, in addition to distance, area, and volume. This tool is great for home improvement, exhibition design, outdoor advertising design, crafting, home soft furnishing, and more.